Hi everyone, it's Samuel Adiola Music here once again, and today I'm going to be teaching you a nice 2-5-1 that you can do on the key of C sharp, you know. So on the key of C sharp, you've got this movement. So the 2, you're going to do it this way. Uh, There. Again. So it's actually, so to the 2, you've got this movement. One more time. So how did I approach that? I approached that by using this major 7th on stereots, which is like your E minor 9/11, F minor 9 rather, and then so you've got this song. Let's use this in a song, right? Let's use this in a song. Let's see. Greater you, Lord. Greater you, Lord. Greater you, Lord. You see, greater you, Lord. Greater you, Lord. Greater you, Lord. Greater you, Lord. Do you see how that sounded so nice, right? So you've got this greater you, Lord. I am that I am. Oh yeah, greater you, Lord. You, Lord. Hey, on the key of C sharp, greater you. I wish I could be hearing this every Sunday morning. Greater. So greater you. Just imagine you is Zush. I'm talking from a place of pain, but those that understand understand. So imagine hearing this on a Sunday morning. Would you be not not no? They just hear something like, "Father, we worship you." Then you go hear. Not. See, if the person I'm talking about watches this video, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But it just hooked me today. So back to the lesson. 1, and then to the 2. We are going to the 2, right? So we do this. Woo. See the way I'm doing it with the melody. It's like it's romancing itself. So you've got this to the 2 and then 5 with the diminished arpeggio, F sharp diminished arpeggio. See? So, and then beautiful, right? So let's spell out those notes. Let's spell it out. You've got this. To go to the 2, we did this minor 2-5-1. So you got this F minor 9, and then I did this. Woo. So F over C, F over C, F sharp over D flat, G over D. So you've got this. Again. And then a D flat. What? Yeah. If E flat minor 9, minor 9 here. You see on the left hand I've got remember? And then on the 5, that F sharp diminished. And then I hope this helps, because this is one of the amazing movements that you just hear. Imagine someone is leading the worship, and everything is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and I will not be silent. I will always worship you. As long as I am breathing, I will always. This is where I applied it. And I will not be silent. I will. See, what did I do there? You see, I did a movement there. I did. So on the 4, which I played an F sharp, you see? So I will. On the 5. So gracing note into that A flat major chord. Then you got that. So just imagine the melody note is da 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 da. You got that B minor over F, A flat major chord, F sharp major chord, but with D at the bottom. And on your left hand, you're just doing. Again. So back to that movement again. We did this. Never could have made it without you. Never could would have made it. I thought I loved you, but I see I hope this helps. So remember the movement. 1, 5, and then back to the 1. I hope this helps. Please make sure you practice and click on that subscribe button, and also drop a comment below if you like this movement. And let me know when you've applied it. Let me know. Or if it's too difficult, we'll bring down the level maybe a little bit easier. But these are beautiful, nice chord movements. I hope to see you in the next one, and we are out. Hi, my name is Samuel Adiola Music here once again, your one and beloved teacher and friend. Why haven't you subscribed? I'm just here to plead to you. This is 2025 and post Valentine. I mean, show me some love, guys. I bring you good lessons. This quarter, we're going to be talking about how to play your 2-5-1s, 7-3-6, and different chord progressions that will make you sound like a pro. And one thing, also, I'll be taking you into my behind the scenes, how I prep for a live recording, how I prep for a live rehearsal, a music rehearsals, and many more, downright to music props, things and tools that you would need to take your music and your profession as a musician, either as a pianist, to a new level. Come on, subscribe to your boy, show me some love, and YouTube will recommend this video or those videos to aspiring musicians, aspiring young artists, or aspiring young producers who want to learn how to do things on a pro level. And please, once again, before I go, click that notification bell there before I go. Yes, that's one. God bless you. I love you guys. See you guys in the next one. Mwah. Love you.